Hello, companions and tutor. I am Robinson Amaya. In this presentation for the solution in the point for phase 2 and the speaking, we unite two three present perfect and simple past. It is orations and situation 1. I have been working kids the ultimate months. This has me a little tired. I did not been to the cinema for a long time for my work and the time available. Situation 2. My father had drive for go to work and now he went by bus because of the traffic jams. My family and I had traveled very much, but for a few months we have not been again. Situation 3. Today in the park, the dog did not play with the ball and my friend went to the advantage and played with him. It is to think about finding the means to stop unstable situations. I am living in Japan and the insecurity has increased. The people have never felt so much fear while walking. Thank you. Goodbye.